Hello, this is Cath from Seeking Health, and today I'm exploring the third protein myth, that plants have no protein. You can watch my first two videos on the myths around protein to find out more about the myth that protein is the most important macronutrient and the myth that the more protein the better. So first of all, protein is made by plants. They are amino acid factories. Animal protein is merely recycled plant protein. Animals don't make anything. Plants are nutrient producers and animals are nutrient consumers. If you think back to my first two videos on the topic, you'll remember that what sets protein apart from the other two macronutrients, carbs and fat, is that protein contains nitrogen. And all gardeners know that you have to make sure your soil has enough nitrogen so that your plants will grow. So plants take carbon and oxygen from the air, and hydrogen and oxygen from the water, and nitrogen from the soil, and put them all together to form amino acids. Plant foods are generally abundant in protein, and I've got quite a few examples for you, starting with lettuce, which gets 34% of its calories from protein. Broccoli gets 45% of its calories from protein. Spinach is 49%. Cauliflower is 40%. Celery is 21%. Beans range from 23 to 54% depending on the variety. Nuts and seeds are 8% to 21%. Grains are 8% to 31%. Fruits are the lowest. They have around 5 to 8% calories from protein on average, but remember that human breast milk is only 6% calories from protein, and this feeds a human at a time in their life cycle when they're growing the most. So let's compare the protein that we've looked at in plants to the amount of protein in animal foods. Most meat is between 20% and 40%, and milk is around 25%, depending on whether it's full fat or reduced fat. This one vegan meal contains 20 grams of protein. So you can see most vegetables are excellent sources of protein, especially green leafy vegetables. And often the problem is, not just for vegans, but for everybody, that people aren't eating enough green leafy vegetables. So if you wanted to suffer from protein deficiency on a vegan diet, you'd either have to seriously restrict your total calories, so you'd have to starve yourself, or you'd have to eat a really messed up, unbalanced diet like nothing but low protein junk foods and certain fruits. But in those cases, protein deficiency probably won't be your biggest problem. So that's it for protein myth number 3. And next time we'll explore the myth that plant proteins are incomplete. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more information about protein, nutrition or health, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like help with your health, please visit my website that I've got below for consultations and online packages. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.